think it's in here.
I don't think anything is in that one. You see something? You see something?
Right there.
Oh.
There might be a lizard.
Yeah.
There might be a lizard.
So when you get your fish, you're gonna come and get the fish food? It's not too big.
Maybe.
No. Leave that one.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Not that one.
Huh? Come, let's look back at this one.
This one.
Papa, look.
Oh. There's. Oh!
They're flying.
Ooh, we don't see that. Oh, he's wiggling.
He's wiggling.
Oh, he's the dog. What about this one? They're cute.
They're cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're cute.
Yeah. Oh, there are 5. There are 5.
Wow. They look so pretty.
Yeah, they are 5. Look at these hamsters. You see them?
Yes, I see them.
They're big. Look at this. This little hamster.
Oh, that's a little tiny one.
Oh, he's eating the food. Oh, look at his eyes.
It's red?
And, oh, you see that one?
No.
Under there?
No.
Under there.
Under where?
Right there. He's sleeping.
Yeah, I hear it. Oh, I think it's the birds over here.
That's all good.
Wait. I don't know where it's coming from.
Dog toys.
Yep, that's dog toys.
All of them is dog toys. This one is dog toys. These one are dog toys.
Yep, they're all dog toys, baby.
Yeah. And these ones are... I don't...
It's a ball, but it's for the dog.
Yeah. That's not the dog. And these ones are... Nothing for the dog.
Yep. Everything in here is for the dog.
Look at this! He's it. Whoa! You see this one? Oh! What's that doing? What?
I don't see anything in this one. You see it?
It might be in the cave.
Maybe.
No, it. I don't see it.
Ew.
Oh, fake! What is it? I don't see it.
I'm gonna show you. Hold on.
You left me up. Look at this. Look at this one.